The green anaconda is the heaviest snake in the world and one of the most powerful predators found in South America. Green anacondas live in the Amazon rainforest, swamps, marshes, and slow-moving rivers in countries like Brazil, Venezuela, Colombia, and Peru. They are semi-aquatic, meaning they spend most of their time in water. The common boa, also called the boa constrictor, is one of the most famous large snakes in the world. Unlike venomous snakes, it kills by constriction, not poison. Females are usually bigger and heavier than males. They grab prey with sharp teeth, wrap around it, and squeeze until the animal can't breathe. They are not venomous, and attacks on humans are rare. However, they are powerful wild animals and should always be respected. The rainbow boa is one of the most beautiful snakes in the world, famous for its stunning rainbow-like shine. Its scales have a special microscopic structure that reflects light, creating an iridescent rainbow glow, especially in sunlight or under bright light. They are smaller than a green anaconda, but still powerful constrictors. The emerald tree boa is one of the most stunning snakes in the rainforest, known for its bright green color and tree-dwelling lifestyle. Emerald tree boas are native to the Amazon basin in Brazil, Colombia, Venezuela, and Peru. They live high in tropical rainforest trees and rarely come to the ground. The javelin sand boa is a small, secretive snake that spends most of its life hidden beneath sand and loose soil. Their eyes are positioned slightly upward to help while buried. Their blunt tail can trick predators into attacking the wrong end. They are sometimes kept as pets due to their small size and calm nature. The Panamanian dwarf boa is a small, rare boa species found in Central America. Unlike the giant boas people usually imagine, this species stays relatively small and secretive. Burmese python. One of the largest snakes in the world, the Burmese python is a powerful non-venomous constrictor. They live in grasslands, marshes, swamps, and forests. They are also an invasive species in Florida, especially in the Everglades. A bright green, tree-dwelling python, known for its stunning color, lives in tropical rainforests and stays high in trees. A unique Australian python known for its glossy black head, native to northern regions of Australia. Unlike many pythons, they specialize in eating reptiles. A small but highly venomous snake famous for the eyelash scales above its eyes, found in Central and parts of South America, including Costa Rica, Panama, Colombia, lives in tropical rainforests, often coiled on tree branches. As the name suggests, this is one of the most colorful vipers in Asia, found in forests and hilly regions. Rattlesnakes are famous for the rattle on their tail, which makes a buzzing warning sound, live in deserts, grasslands, forests, and rocky areas. Bush vipers are some of the most colorful venomous snakes in Africa. They live in tropical rainforests and thick vegetation. A small desert viper known for the horn-like scales above its eyes. They live in sandy deserts and arid regions. Spider-tailed horned viper, one of the most bizarre snakes in the world, lives in rocky deserts and dry mountainous areas. The King Cobra is the longest venomous snake in the world and one of the most feared reptiles in Asia. They live in forests, bamboo thickets, and near water sources. A striking cobra famous for its ability to spit venom accurately, found in dry savannas and semi-desert regions. Wrinkles, also called the ring-necked spitting cobra, though it is not a true cobra, lives in grasslands and wetlands. Eastern coral snake, a small but highly venomous snake famous for its bright warning colors, lives in sandy woodlands, pine forests, and scrub habitats. It often hides underground or under leaf litter. Blue Malaysian coral snake, one of the most stunning and unique venomous snakes in Southeast Asia. Banded sea crate, also called the yellow-lipped sea crate, this is a highly venomous marine snake that splits its life between land and sea, lives in coral reefs and coastal waters, but comes onto land to rest, digest food, and lay eggs. Yellow-bellied sea snake, one of the most widespread snake species in the world. Unlike sea crates, it never comes onto land and spends its entire life in the open ocean. The black mamba is one of the fastest and most feared venomous snakes in Africa, prefers savannas, rocky hills, and open woodlands. King brown snake, also called the mulga snake, is one of Australia's largest venomous snakes, found in deserts, grasslands, and woodlands. Desert death adder, a master of camouflage and ambush hunting, lives in deserts and dry scrublands. Garter snakes are small, harmless snakes commonly found across North America. They are among the most familiar backyard snakes. They are beneficial because they control pests like insects and rodents. Water snakes are non-venomous snakes often mistaken for cottonmouths. They are strong swimmers and often bask near water. The worm snake is a tiny, secretive snake that looks almost like a large earthworm. They spend most of their life underground. Neotropical snake eater, a group of harmless snakes specialized in eating snails and slugs. They live in tropical forests and are often active at night. Giant false viper. Despite its name, it is not a true viper, but it mimics vipers for defense, lives in forests and mountainous areas. Whip snakes are fast, slender snakes known for their speed and alert behavior. Most species are non-venomous and harmless to humans. Flying snake, also called gliding snakes, these reptiles can glide through the air. They live in tropical forests and spend most of their time in trees. Beautiful bronzeback, a colorful tree-dwelling snake known for its elegant appearance, lives in forests, gardens, and plantations. Mangrove snake, also called the gold-ringed cat snake, is a striking tree-dwelling snake from Southeast Asia. They are mostly nocturnal and arboreal, tree-living. Honduran milk snake, a colorful non-venomous snake popular in the pet trade, found in forests, grasslands, and farmland areas. Japanese rat snake, a non-venomous snake native to Japan and known for its adaptability. They are excellent climbers and often enter barns or houses in search of mice. Rhinoceros rat snake, a beautiful green snake famous for the small horn-like scale on its nose, prefers humid forests and mountainous regions. Corn snake, one of the most popular pet snakes in the world, found in forests, grasslands, and farmland. Elephant trunk snake, also called the Javan file snake, is one of the strangest-looking snakes in the world. The loose skin helps it grip slippery fish underwater. Brahminy blind snake, one of the smallest and most widespread snakes in the world, now found worldwide in tropical regions due to soil transport.